Welcome back to our Seated Tai Chi challenge. This week, we will be adding one exercise a day, working toward a seated 7-exercise flow. That's not counting the opening and closing, which we have already learned. The exercise of the day is rollback arm. So if our arms float up, both palms to the sky, one hand is going to remain toward the front. We're going to turn the torso to the side, and one arm rolls back and up in line with the shoulder, hand coming in toward the ear, and then we push-pull. One hand over the other, one hand pushing forward and turning up, the other hand rolling back and up. And we continue. Push-pull, whirling arms, one hand rolling back, one hand pushing toward the front. I want to point out the circles here. If we isolate just one arm, it is rolling back and up in a circular manner. We turn slightly to the side, the arm rolls back and up, winding up and then pushing forward. Winding up, pushing forward. Now the breathing. With both hands apart, we inhale. We exhale on the push-pull. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out, looking back as the hand comes up. Cross, separate, sink. Now let's put that into a flow. We've only got one exercise, but we've also got the opening, the closing, and the end movement of gathering chi. So we can make that into our first flow. So follow me, shift your mind, body, and breath. Breathe in as your hands float up. Breathe out as the hands sink down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Floating, sinking. Lifting water. Like a wave, effortlessly lifting your hands up and letting them sink back down, flowing like water. Now we're going to let the hands float up and remain there. Turn both hands, both palms to the sky. Follow me as if I am your reflection in the mirror. So turn to the left and the left arm rolls back. Down and up by the ear. And then we turn back, just slight turns, push-pull. Rolling back and up and out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Now leave the hand out. Turn the palm towards your face. Move the hand down towards your shoulder. Scoop up, gather, cross. Separate the hands with the palms facing the ground. And sink. Gathering chi. We circle up, overhead, pull down. Inhale up, exhale down. You can make the circle as big as you wish. You can also gather or circle out in front of yourself. Pull in and down, especially if circling overhead hurts your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, and the other. In a really big circle. We can add intent, gathering good energy, sinking to Dan Tien, storing it in our energy battery. Inhale, the sea of energy below our belly button. We can relax from head to toe. Use this for a body scan. Relaxing, softening the front of the body. Letting the back of the body soften, release tension, and settle. And internally as well with a sigh of relief.